Welcome to Best Choice. The Best College Cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for any student navigating independent living, transforming the daunting task of meal prep into an exciting culinary adventure, offering simple yet delicious recipes that cater to tight budgets, limited kitchen space, and busy schedules, ensuring you can fuel your studies and social life without relying solely on instant noodles or expensive takeout, making healthy and satisfying meals achievable for even the most novice cooks. Number 5. The Easy College Cookbook. Navigating college life can be tough, especially when it comes to mealtime. This book is your ultimate guide to delicious, hassle-free cooking right in your dorm or apartment. Inside, you'll discover 75 incredible recipes designed specifically for students. They are all quick to prepare and won't break your budget. No more spending hours in the kitchen when you have studies to focus on. These recipes are perfect for busy schedules, ensuring you get a great meal without the fuss. Eating healthy and tasty doesn't have to be expensive. It helps you create satisfying meals using ingredients that are easy on your wallet. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a complete beginner, this is perfect for campus living. It makes cooking an enjoyable and stress-free part of your college experience. What we like. This book focuses on speed and cost-effectiveness, perfect for busy students. If you're always on the go and need to stretch your budget, this is your go-to guide. It's ideal for anyone navigating the fast-paced, financially conscious world of campus living. What people say. Number 4. Budget-friendly college cookbook. Are you a college student facing the challenge of eating well on a tight budget? It understands your struggles with limited space, storage, and savings. This essential guide is designed specifically for you. It offers practical solutions to help you prepare delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Living in a dorm or small apartment often means minimal kitchen space. It provides clever tips and recipes optimized for compact cooking areas, making the most of what you have. Struggling with a tiny fridge or pantry? This book includes advice on efficient food storage and ingredient management. It helps you keep your kitchen organized and your ingredients fresh. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. It features a wide array of recipes that are both tasty and economical, ensuring you can enjoy great food while staying within your budget. Transform your college dining experience with this comprehensive cookbook. It empowers you to eat well, save money, and thrive during your academic journey. What we like. This guide is designed for extreme budgeters and those with minimal kitchen setups. If you're dealing with a tiny dorm room or shared kitchen and need to maximize every dollar, this book offers smart solutions. It's perfect for students who want to eat well despite significant constraints. What people say. Number 3. One-Pan College Cookbook. Are you a college student struggling with meal prep? Tired of complicated recipes and endless cleanup? This cookbook is designed to simplify your kitchen experience. Imagine delicious meals with minimal effort. With its innovative one-pan approach, you'll spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your food. No more sacrificing taste for speed. It offers 80 easy recipes that are both quick to prepare and incredibly satisfying, perfect for busy schedules. Specifically crafted with college life in mind, these recipes use common ingredients and require basic kitchen tools. It's your ultimate culinary companion on campus. Ready to transform your cooking? Grab your copy and discover how easy and enjoyable preparing good food can be, even with a busy student life. What we like. This cookbook simplifies cooking and cleanup with its focus on one-pan recipes. If you dread washing dishes and want delicious meals with minimal fuss, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for students who prioritize convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. What people say. Number 2. Easy College Cookbook for Guys. Are you a college guy looking to master the kitchen without the fuss? This cookbook is designed specifically for you, making culinary skills accessible and fun. Discover a collection of recipes that are incredibly easy to follow. You'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time, even if you've never cooked before. From fundamental techniques to essential ingredients, it teaches you everything you need to know. Build a strong foundation for a lifetime of great food. Say goodbye to takeout and hello to homemade goodness. It provides quick and tasty options perfect for a busy student lifestyle. This isn't just a cookbook, it's your guide to culinary independence. Empower yourself with the skills to create satisfying meals every day. What we like. Tailored for beginners, this book breaks down cooking into simple, easy-to-follow steps. If you're new to the kitchen and want to build fundamental cooking skills without feeling overwhelmed, this guide is perfect. It's especially suited for those looking for a straightforward introduction to preparing their own meals. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive product features or details could be extracted as requested. Number 1. College Cooking for One Cookbook. Are you a college student struggling to cook for yourself? This book offers a simple solution. It's designed to make meal prep easy and enjoyable. Inside, you'll discover 75 delicious recipes. They are all incredibly simple to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be whipping up meals in no time. No more wasted ingredients or leftovers you won't eat. Each recipe is perfectly portioned for one person. This ensures you always have just the right amount. It understands the unique challenges of student life. These recipes are quick, budget-friendly, and use common ingredients. You can easily fit them into your busy schedule. Transform your college cooking experience today. It helps you eat well without stress or complexity. Get your copy and start enjoying delicious, home-cooked meals. What we like. This book specializes in recipes perfectly sized for a single person, eliminating waste. If you live alone and struggle with cooking too much or dealing with endless leftovers, this is the solution. It's ideal for independent students who want fresh, appropriately sized meals every time. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.